electronics. So in this video, we are going to see a recruitment news from Bharat Electronics Limited. Nowadays, there is actually a lot of recruitments happening from various locations of BEL. So this recruitment is actually happening from BEL Bangalore, and there is a recruitment happening for project engineers and trainee engineers. Okay, especially for electronics branch, there is a lot of openings. So we are going to see all details regarding this recruitment. Okay. So the recruitment is happening from BEL Bangalore, and the posts for which they are recruiting are Project Engineer 1 and Trainee Engineer. So Project Engineers, they are actually recruiting for two categories, Project Engineer 1 and also Project Engineer Optics. For the optics sections also they are recruiting. Okay. So first let us see the Project Engineer branches they are recruiting. Okay. So the Project Engineer 1, they are recruiting the branches Electronics with 10 vacancy, Mechanical 6 vacancy, Computer Science 2 vacancy. Totally there is 18 vacancies is there. Okay. And the qualification you are requiring is either BE, BTech or BSc in the given disciplines. Okay. Now also you require minimum 2 years of experience for applying for the post of Project Engineer 1. Okay. And the upper age limit is 28 years. Okay. And next is for Project Engineer Optical Department or Optics, and they are recruiting Electro, Optics or Photonics with 2 vacancies. Okay. And for applying for this post, you should be having an MSc in either Electro, Optics or Photonics from a reputed university with first class. Okay. And if you belong to the SC/ST category, you require only pass class. This is actually common for both the project engineers. That is, if you are belonging to the general session or economically weaker session, you require first class. But if you belong to SC/ST and persons with disabilities, you require only pass class. The again, for the project engineer optics department also, you require 2 years of experience in the similar area. Maximum age limit is 28 years. Okay. Now this project engineer job is actually for a period of 4 years. So they have given this job is on contract basis for a period of 4 years. But after that, this job is extendable or not, it is depending on the organization. Okay. Anyway, it is for a period of 4 years, which will be for sure. And the salary or the monthly pay that you are going to get for this 4 years is, for the first year, you will be getting 35,000 per month. Second year, it is 40,000 per month. Third year, it is 50,000 and 45,000. And the fourth year, you will be getting 50,000 per month. Okay. So this is the monthly salary that you are going to get for these 4 years. Okay. So this is the details regarding the project engineer 2 categories. Next is for trainee engineer. So for trainee engineer, they are recruiting the branches. First one, electronics with 17 vacancies, mechanical 7, computer science 5, electrical 2, mechatronics 2. Okay, totally 33 vacancies is there. And the qualification is BE, BTech, BSc. Again, you require first class if you belong to the general category. SC/ST candidates only require pass class. Okay. And here you require only minimum 6 months of experience. Okay. So if you have at least 6 months of experience, you can apply for the post of trainee engineer. Okay. So that is actually a very golden opening. A lot of people is actually having minimum 1 year of experience. So here you can try because only you require 6 months experience. The age limit is, maximum age limit is 25 years. And the monthly pay that you are going to get is, it is actually for a period of 3 years. The trainee engineer job is for a period of 3 years, and for the first year you will be getting 25,000 per month. Second year it is 28,000, and for the third year it is 31,000. Okay, so this is the salary of the pay level detail and also the age limit and the branches. Now let us see the application procedure. So the application procedure is if you see the BEL career side, you will be seeing this recruitment link. There is a link for advertisement. Below that you can directly see a application form, and you have to fill up the online application form, and the last date for applying is 17th of February is the last date. Okay. So the application procedure is online only. You have to fill up the online application form by filling up all your details, phone number, mail ID, everything, and also your educational qualification requirement. That is qualification details and your experience detail, and you have to fill the form online. Okay. So that is the application procedure. Now let us see the selection process. So for the selection process, there is actually an online interview happening. There is no other selection process. There is no written examination or anything. So the selection process is actually having a video conferencing based interview. A lot of people has actually appeared for various locations interview. So based on their experience, the interview is actually not very difficult. Okay, so if you have minimum knowledge in the core field, you can easily get through the interview. Okay, so the weightage given for the selection process is like this. For your aggregate mark that you scored in the qualifying examination, that is BE, BTech, BSc, it is given 75% of weightage. For your experience, 10% of weightage is given, and for the interview they have given 15% of weightage. Okay, so this is the weightage details for the various things, that is for your mark that you have scored in the qualifying examination, then for your experience, and for the interview which you have to attend. Okay, so only the selected candidates or the shortlisted candidates will be getting a mail regarding the interview process. Other people won't be getting the mail. Okay, now there is also fees for applying. The fees is for trainee engineer post. The fees is 200 rupees, and candidates who are belonging to SC/ST categories is actually exempted from the fees. Okay, SC/ST category and persons with disabilities are exempted from fees. Trainee engineer fees is 200 rupees and project engineer fees is 500 rupees. Okay, so this is the fee details. So we have seen actually all details. And also another important thing I want to tell you. So we have seen that the recruitment is happening for the branches of electronics, mechanical, computer science likewise. Now which all specific branches can apply for these positions? Let us see. Okay, so for applying for the post of trainee engineer and also for project engineer electronics, the branches that are eligible are electronics, that is either BE, BTech or BSc electronics, then electronics and communication, electronics and telecommunication, or simply if you have done communication, BE, BTech or BSc, then you are also eligible, and also telecommunication. Okay, so these all branches are eligible. Now you can see all these things on the screen also. Okay, then for mechanical, you have to have a qualification of mechanical engineering. Next, computer science means you should be having either computer science or computer science and engineering or computer science engineering. Okay, then electrical, either electrical engineering, that is BE, BTech or BSc in electrical engineering, or electrical and electronics engineering. Okay, so these are the qualification requirements. That is, if you belong to any of these branches, if you have a BE, BTech or BSc in any of these branches, you are eligible to apply for the respective post. Okay, so that's all about the recruitment news from BEL Bangalore. So there's a golden opening, especially for the electronics branch. There is a lot of openings, and for applying for the post of trainee engineer, you only require 6 months experience. Okay, so please see the notification in detail, and if you think that you are eligible, please do apply for it as soon as possible. We have seen all details, the application procedure, the selection procedure, qualification, salary, everything we have seen. Okay, so if you think that you are eligible, apply for it as soon as possible. Okay, so if you found the video useful, please do give it a thumbs up. Also share it with your friends, and if you want more videos, please do subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.